वेलकम टू स्टडी हब। डेली द हिंदू वोकेब्युलरी में आपका स्वागत है। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। इंडिग्नेशन, क्रोध, आक्रोश। मीनिंग, एंगर और अनॉयंस प्रोवोक्ड बाय अनफेयर ट्रीटमेंट। सिनोनिम्स, रिजेंटमेंट, आउटरेज, रॉथ। एंटोनिम्स, satisfaction, acceptance, contentment. Example, the unfair dismissal of employees sparked public indignation and protests. Measly, tuchh, naganya. Meaning, contemptibly small or inadequate in amount. Synonyms, paltry, insignificant, trivial, pitiful. Antonyms, generous, substantial, considerable. Example, he was paid a measly sum for all his hard work. Startling, चौंकाने वाला, आश्चर्यजनक. Meaning, very surprising, astonishing, or difficult to believe. Synonyms, shocking, astonishing, alarming, unexpected. Antonyms, predictable, expected, ordinary. Example, the report revealed startling facts about the scale of cyber fraud in the country. Indigent, daridra, nirdhan. Meaning, extremely poor, lacking the basic necessities of life. Synonyms, destitute, impoverished, penniless, needy. Antonyms, wealthy, affluent, prosperous, rich. Example, the government launched welfare schemes to support indigent farmers in drought-hit areas. Pontificating, धर्मोपदेश देना, उपदेशात्मक बोलना. Meaning, expressing opinions in a pompous, dogmatic, or overly authoritative manner. Synonyms, preaching, moralizing, sermonizing, lecturing. Antonyms, humble, modest, lowly, timid, shrinking. Example, instead of pontificating about ethics, the professor should have encouraged a discussion with the students. Prowess, kushalta, veerta. Meaning, exceptional skill, ability, or bravery in a particular field. Synonyms, expertise, mastery, competence, valor. Antonyms, incompetence, ineptitude, weakness. Example, the scientist's prowess in research earned him international recognition. Contemporaneous, समकालीन, एक ही समय का. Meaning, existing, happening, or originating during the same period of time. Synonyms, simultaneous, concurrent, coexisting, synchronous. Antonyms, sequential, successive, asynchronous, different time. Example, the two reports were contemporaneous, making it easier for researchers to compare their findings. Claptrap, bakwas, खोखली बातें. Meaning, nonsensical or empty talk intended to impress but lacking real meaning. Synonyms, nonsense, hogwash, balderdash, rubbish. Antonyms, truth, sense, wisdom, logic. Example, the politician's speech was full of emotional claptrap with no concrete solutions. Charismatic, karishmai. Meaning, having a special charm or power that inspires devotion or enthusiasm. Synonyms, charming, magnetic, captivating. Antonyms, unattractive, dull, uninspiring. Example, tigers are considered charismatic species that attract global conservation funding. Venal, brushed. Rishwatkhor. Meaning, willing to act dishonestly in return for money or personal gain. Synonyms, corrupt, dishonest, bribable, immoral. Antonyms, upright, incorruptible, honest, ethical. Example, the minister was accused of making venal decisions to benefit certain businesses. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe and share.